Hi, I'm David Bridgman. I'm an intellectual property solicitor working at Briffa on the Irish team. So at Briffa, we're an intellectual property law firm with offices in both Dublin and London. And we help businesses ranging from startups, creatives to SMEs and everything in between. A lot of our work is generally focused around trademarks, copyright and design protection. Usually with trademarks in Ireland is that you can apply for a trademark in Ireland and you can also apply for a trademark in the EU, and that's where I come into play with Briffa, that I usually help Briffa on the Irish side with EU trademarks and Irish trademarks. In Ireland, the key IP is trademarks, copyright and designs. Registered rights consist of trademarks and designs, while unregistered rights consist of copyright. The most important thing about intellectual property is that it helps the brand grow and it protects copycats from copying your brand. It is important to note that the trademark system in Ireland works on a first come, first served basis generally. So it is important that you file your trademark as early as possible, because even if you've been in business for 5 to 10 years, somebody else can come along and file the trademark before you do. When you file a trademark in the EU, it is important to note that you must do a clearance search for your name on the EU website. Once you've decided the name, you can contact Briffa and we can help you file your trademark. It is important to note that when you're filing a trademark, there's 45 different classes under the NICE classification system. For example, if you were a clothing brand, you would file in class 25, or if you were a software brand, you would file in class 42. It's important to note that there is just one fee and one filing, and that will cover you across all 27 countries in the EU when you file your trademark. It is important to note that even if somebody has a trademark in, for example, Germany, they will still be able to oppose your EU filing mark. Prior to Brexit, you will be able to file an EU trademark. But now, because of Brexit, there is now the EU IPO office and the UK IPO office. Here at Briffa, we are able to help you file a trademark in both jurisdictions.